girls. Today we are on lesson 41 and it's going to look like this. So make sure you have that sheet of paper out and you have written your name on it. All right, we're going to start how we always start and we're going to do some letter sounds. So let's get going. Number 1 is N, and that's N-G. Number 2 is K. That's K, comma, C, and then as a final sound, CK, comma, K. And today we're going to learn a new one. Number 3 is and that's U. Number 4 is Th, that's TH. Number 5 is E, so we have EE, comma, E, final sound, EE. Number 6, we have U, that's U again. Number 7 is D, so we have D, final sound, D or comma ED. Number 8 is W, that's W. Number 9 is T, so we have T or as a final sound, T, comma ED. Number 10 is Th, and that's TH. All right, make sure you get those down. We're going to practice spelling a couple of words after. All right, number 11, we are going to spell seam. S, E, M. Number 12, we're going to spell green. G, G, R, E. In the middle is that EE. N, green. All right, make sure you have those down before we move on to our new spelling word. All right, let's look at these words. Let's say them together. Sail, cane, gate. What do we notice about all these sounds, these words? Sail, cane, gate. Our A makes that long A sound in all of those words. What other pattern do we see? We don't have the same consonant, but we always have A, then a consonant, then E. So this is our new way of spelling the A sound is A, and then we draw a line to show consonant, and then E. And when we do this, our E is silent. So how we code it is we draw a line through our E and we put a macron that shows the long A sound on our A. And we don't do anything with our consonant. We just leave it. So that's the A consonant E coding for the A sound. So now when I say A, you'll write A, comma, A consonant E. And that'll be how it goes. All righty. We'd also code our C here with a K back, right? Okay. I'm going to erase these. You didn't have to write these down anyway. All right, let's look at this word. Else. All right, so how many sounds are between the two E's? We have ul and s, right? We have two sounds. So the silent E on the end is two sounds away from the vowel. So our new vowel consonant E rule doesn't apply. So here we would code, by this would have the short sound, and we would still cross out our E at the end. Else. Right. Let's learn about a new way to spell with K, or to do the K sound at the end of a word. Let's look at these words. right. Take, woke, like. What do we know about all these words? The vowel in the middle has the long sound. Take, woke, like, right? And what do we see that's the same at the end? It's K-E. So K-E, although this follows, like here it follows the A consonant E rule up here, this is just a new way to spell K at the end of a word. And so this way is K-E, right? All right, and the E makes the vowel sound long. All right, let's practice spelling a couple of words with this. Let's spell on first, number 13. Let's write down how we would make the A sound. I just did this on the board, but we're doing it actually on number 13. So it would be A consonant E, comma, A. Okay? And then let's look at number 14, how we would spell the K sound, because we just talked about a new way to spell the final K sound. We have K, comma, C, that we already learned. Final sound could be CK, comma, K, comma, KE. So now we have a new way to spell that K sound at the end of a word. All right, make sure you have these down. I'm going to erase. Number 15. Name. Let's spell name, knowing our new sounds we just learned. A. So A is saying its name. So we know an E is at the end. Name. Number 16. Cake. K. A. K. Cake. Again, if you weren't sure if that was a C or a K at the beginning, you could follow the rule of it's an A, so we know that we have a C. Number 17. 8. A. T. Now if we just had AT, that would be at, right? So we know we need that E because we have we have A consonant E. All right, make sure you get those written down. And let's practice some coding. Number 18. Came. Here we have our A consonant E, so we know our E gets crossed out, our A says its name, and that C can get a K back because it makes that K sound at the beginning, right? Number 19, made. Again, A consonant E, the E gets crossed off, the A gets a macron. Number 20, snake. Here we have the KE at the end, which we know makes the macron, and we don't say the E. 21, plain. Here we have a PL blend, but we don't do anything with that. Here we have A consonant E. We cross the E off. The A gets a macron. All right, and that's, oh no, we are going to do 22. We have is grape. Again, A consonant E, cross the E off. A, and that GR is a blend, I believe we've learned, but we don't do anything with a blend. We just know that it is a blend. All right, draw a line from the word here that matches the picture over to the side. I think this one you should be able to get. I'm going to erase. And let's do number 22. Stamp. We don't really have anything going on here. We've got some blends, but we just put a brev over the A. 23. That was 23. Sorry. 23, so this is 24. We just have a vowel open, so it gets a macron. And it says its name. We. 25. Thinking. We're going to box off the ing. Underline the TH blend or digraph and a brev under the I. All right, 26, spell. We're going to cross off that second L. Our E gets a brev, and we know SP is a blend. 27, coffee. Ooh, here's our vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel going on. So we have vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. Here we have our EE in digraph. So the second one gets crossed off. This one says its name. We have a line in between our two F's, and our O gets a brev. All right, look at these words and draw a line to the picture that it matches. And then we'll talk about the homework. On your own, I would like for you, lost my homework page, to read those sentences on 1, answer the question on 2, do the same thing, and then number 5, 6, 7, 8, you are going to draw a line to the blend that it matches. And down here at the bottom, you are going to read those high frequency words. I believe I forgot. Our new sight word is to, again, because it does not follow the rules, TWO. That's like the number 2, because we have lots of different versions of 2, but 3 to be exact. So this one is 2 TWO, which means the number. All right. I will see you on the next video.